The timeline tool is quite useful if you have a lot of different B-rolls and you want to just shuffle them around, move them around, and see how you can play with them in different ways, right? Or let's say you have a lot of different footages and you want to create gaps to put, let's say, motion graphics before each and every one of those footages, right? And you want to have a specific amount of gap so that everything is consistent. So it works really well for presentations and anything else. Of course, you can use it however you'd like. I'm sure you'll find better ways and better use cases for this, but I'm just going to show you how this works. Yeah, so I have here 3 different clips of a race, and I can just select all 3 and go here, and I can choose, let's say, 3 seconds gap between each clip, and I press apply, and you can see between every single clip it applied a 3 second gap, right? Now if I just press remove all gaps, it removes every single one of them, and it is quite useful for a lot of different use cases. And now let's say I want to choose a single one, and I want to see if I split this into 2 second segments, how many would I get, right? I have 2.2 here, let's choose 2. So I can visualize here for this specific clip, if I choose 2 seconds, I'll have this many different variations. Now if I want to find something that's even, let's say 2.2 seconds, everything's looking relatively even, right? And with this, I just press split clip. All the clips have been split at 2.2 seconds except the last one, right? Now I can select these, I can go here, I can press shuffle clip, and what that will do is basically shuffle this randomly from front to back. If I press reverse, it's just going to reverse the clip from back to front. If I press shuffle, it's just going to move them around at random. Yeah, I hope you guys find some interesting use cases for this, and let us know in our Discord community what you thought.